Nandini, good evening, all. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please comment. Please do respond in the comments. Yeah, Rani, thank you. Yeah, only one member is there. We'll wait for a few minutes. Yeah, only one member is there. Rani, we wait for a few minutes. Others to join. Fine. Very good evening to everyone. Please let me know. Am I audible? Yeah. Thank you, Rani. And also check, is my screen is also sharing to you? Please let me know. Is my screen is sharing? No. Fine. Let me check with this. Now you check, please. Is my screen is sharing? No. Yeah. Give me a second. Just I'm trying to share my screen, but it is not sharing. Just I leave once and again rejoin. Please stay tuned. Please let me know. Am I audible? Please let me know. Am I audible? Yes, please. Yeah. Thank you, Akash. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, let's start with today's coding session for TCS. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Roshita. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. So let's pick a few problem statements which are asked last year and last but 1 year. So I hope we already solved few problems. Let me take. Yeah. Yeah. These questions. Fine. Did we solve this question? Minimum coins required. The problem statement goes like this. Find the minimum number of coins required to form any value between 1 to n, both inclusive. And cumulative value of coins should not exceed n. And coin denominations are 1 rupee, 2 rupees, and 5 rupees. So, this is a question which involved with a little logical thinking. And if the input is given as 13, then the output is 132. And let me explain how this output is generated. And just go through this problem statement once. I request everyone. Find the number of find the minimum number of coins required to form any value between 1 to n, where both are inclusive, and the cumulative value of coins should not exceed n, and the coin denominations are 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and 5 rupee. So here the problem statement says that we have given an infinite supply of coins with the denominations as 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins. And we need to find what are the minimum number of coins required to form any value between 1 to n. I hope the problem statement is clear. So Akash, is there any issue with you? Is everything is my screen is sharing and audio is also audible to you? Yes, please. Yeah, I hope is everybody understood the problem statement? Yeah, okay, Akash, thank you. Yeah, please tell me, is everybody understood the problem statement? The problem statement says that we need to find the minimum number of coins. And for 13, it is something like 132. So what actually this 132? So what does the problem statement is asking? What is this problem statement is asking? So let me try to explain with my board writing tab. Yeah. See, I have given with some n value where n value is 13, where n value is 13, and they are asking that we have infinite supply of 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins. We have infinite supply of these three denomination coins, and we need to find how many minimum number of 1 rupee coins we need, how many minimum number of 2 rupee coins we need, and how many minimum number of 5 rupee coins we need in order to generate a change for all the numbers starting from 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee, 5 rupee, and so on till 13 rupees. That means it's not about selecting only 13 rupees a change. It's not about only a given value, and for this target we need to find how many minimum number of coins required. That problem is different. So that is a very common problem. uh, like we have given some amount and we need to find how many minimum number of coins we need to form that amount. But this problem is a little different, and it is asked in TCS NQT 2022. So the problem statement says that we have infinite supply of 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins. And a target value is given n, an integer n. So our task is we need to identify how many minimum number of coins we require. Like that means individual denomination coins. How many minimum number of 5 rupee coins we need? How many minimum number of 2 rupee coins we need? How many minimum number of 1 rupee coins we need in order to form all the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till 13, till n, right? So let's try to understand the solution here. Let's try to understand the solution. For example, if you want to generate, if you want to generate a 1 rupee, if you want to generate 1 rupee, now tell me how many coins we need. I need only one 1 rupee coin. Yes. If you want to generate 2 rupees, if you want to generate 2 rupees, that means if the n value is 2, then what are the coins that we can choose? For example, let's understand. If I pick 2 rupee coins, if I pick 2 rupee coin, I can make only 2 rupees, but I cannot give a change for 1 rupee. But if my n value is 2, I should be able to generate the number 1 as well as 2. So if I pick 2 rupee coin, I can generate only 2 rupees, but I cannot generate 1 rupee. So picking 2 rupee coin is not suitable. So what we have to do? We need to select two 1 rupee coins. We need to select two 1 rupee coins. If I select two 1 rupee coins, can I generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give 1 rupee or 1 coin. Can I generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give these 2 coins. So I can generate all the numbers from 1 to 2 by using these 2 coins. Clear? Yeah. The next, let's think 3 rupees. So if I want to generate it, n value is 3. If my n value is 3, right? So can we pick, what are all the options we have? The options we have is I can pick one 2 rupee coin and one 1 rupee coin. And other alternate is I can pick three 1 rupee coins. I can pick three 1 rupee coins. So this is option 1 and this is option 2. Right? Now let's check. So by using the option 1, can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give this one coin. Can we generate 2? Yes, I can give this 2 rupees. Can we generate 3? Yes, I can give these 2 coins. Yes, this is one of the option we have. And second option, can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give one coin. Can we give 2 rupees? Yes, I can give 2 coins. Can we generate 3 rupees? Yes, I can give 3 coins. Yes, this is also option. But we want minimum number of coins. We want minimum number of coins in order to generate all the numbers from 1 to n. All the numbers from 1 to n. So this is also not our choice, and 2 and 1 is our best choice. Okay, now let's think about 4 rupees. 4 rupees. So if I want to generate 4 rupees, what are all the options we have? What are all the options we have? Right? So let's start with, if I take two 2 rupee coins, so that could be the minimum coins. So anyway, I cannot go for the 5 rupee coin. So I can pick two 2 rupee coins. So to generate 4, right? So but if I pick two 2 rupee coins, can we generate all the numbers from 1 to 4? Let's check. So can we generate 1 rupee? No, I cannot generate. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give 1 2 rupee. But can we generate 3? No. And can we generate 4? Yes. So I'm not able to generate these two numbers. So this is not a suitable selection. Right? What is the other alternates we have? So I can go with selecting two 1 rupee coin, sorry, one 2 rupee coin and two 1 rupee coins. And other option we have is selecting four 1 rupee coins. Selecting four 1 rupee coins. So these are all the three options, out of which first option is, so first option, second option and third option. So which is ruled out? Like that means this is not a suitable selection because we are not able to form a 1 rupee and 3 rupee with this collection of coins. So I have the second option. So by using second option, can we generate all the numbers from 1 to 4? Right, let's check. So can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give 1 rupee coin. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give 2 rupee coin. Can we generate 3 rupees? Yes, I can give 2 rupees and 1 rupee. Can we generate 4 rupees? Yes, I can give 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. So this could be my a possible answer, possible solution. And third option, yes, this is also a possible. So I can generate 1 rupee by giving 1 coin, 2 rupees by giving 2 rupees, 2 coins, 3 rupees by giving 3 coins, 4 rupees by giving 4 coins. But this is also alternate option we have. But we are looking for minimum number of coins. So if I want to go for minimum number of coins, so the second option is the right choice, and this is also not our preferred choice. Fine. Yes. Let's go with 5 rupee coins. Like if my n is 5, then we need to identify how many minimum number of coins we need in order to generate all the numbers from 1 to 5. Not only 5 rupees, I have to generate all the numbers from 1 to 5. Right? So let's go with the best option we have for generating the 5. So for generating the 5, I can go with two 2 rupee coins, or sorry, 5 rupee coin we have directly first. And the second option is two 2 rupee coins, and one 1 rupee coin. And third option is, what is the third option we have? uh, two sorry one 2 rupee coin and three 1 rupee coins. And fourth option we have is five 1 rupee coins: one, two, three, four, and five. Right now, out of all these, let's check which is possible answers and which are not possible answers. Out of that, which is optimal answer? Right, let's check. So if I go with the first option, can we generate these all numbers? No, we cannot generate. I can generate only 5 rupees, but I cannot generate 1 rupee. I cannot generate 2 rupees, 3, 4. These are all not possible. So selecting 5 rupee coin is not suitable. Then, so can we go with the second option? Let's check. Let's check. Can we go with the second option? Let's see. So can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give 1 rupee coin. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give 2 rupee coin. Can we generate 3 rupees? Yes, I can give one rupee, 2 rupee coin, one rupee coin. Yeah. Can we generate 4 rupees? Yes, I can give two 2 rupee coins. And can we generate 5 rupees? Yes, I can give 3 coins. I can give all these 3 coins. Yes. So this is my probable answer, right? And can we generate with the third option all the numbers? Yes, let's check. Can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can give 1 rupee, 1 coin. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give. And 3 rupees? Yes. And 4 rupees? Yes. And 5 rupees? Yes. Right? This is also our could be answer. Like, and this is also possible. So out of all these, which one is recommended? Which gives the minimum number of coins? So I can I can ignore this, and I can ignore this also. So this one is the suitable answer. Is the suitable answer clear? Yes. Yes. Now let's go for one more step. Now this step is important. This step is important. Now can we generate 6? What are the denomination of coins we need in order to generate all the numbers from 1 till 6? So can I go with a 5 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin? Let's check. With this, what we can generate? Can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can generate. But can we generate 2 rupees? No chance. We cannot generate 2 rupees. We cannot generate 3 rupees. We cannot generate 4 rupees. We can generate 5 and 6. That means we can generate only 1, 5, and 6. So this is not our solution. What is the other alternate? Other alternate is selecting 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and another 2 rupee coin. This is also one more cumulative count gives 6. But this will also does not generate 1 rupee coin, 3 rupees, 5 rupees. These three are not generatable with this set of coins. So this is also not our choice, right? Then what else I can do? Let's go and pick another set. So one, two rupee coins and 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Right? Let's check. This is giving the solution. So can we generate 1 rupee? Yes, I can generate. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can generate. Can we generate 3 rupees? Yes, I can generate. Can we generate 4 rupees? Yes, I can generate. Can we generate 5 rupees? Yes, I can generate 5 rupees also. Can we generate 6? Yes. right? And forget about the remaining options. So they are going to give more than this. So this is a solution. But did you observe here? Did you observe here? This one, this one was the answer for 5, 5 rupees, n value 5. So the 6, the 6, simply I can give answer for 5 plus 5 rupees, oh sorry, n value 5 plus n value 1, n value 1. Clear? And answer for 7 with the same thing. Answer for 7 is going to be answer for 5 plus 2. Right? We already calculated 5 and we already calculated 2. Clear? So this is how we are going to do. So this is the problem statement actually. So we have given some n value and we need to identify how many 1 rupee coins we need and how many 2 rupees coins we need, how many 5 rupee coins, minimum number of coins we need in order to generate all the numbers from 1 to n. All the numbers from 1 to n. Clear? So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement. Right? So now how do I solve this? And I hope you understood the problem statement. Tell me, are you clear with the problem statement? Yeah, Roshita, it's nice. Yes, very nice. Now tell me how we are going to solve this. How we are going to solve this. Yeah, thank you, Roshita. And did you observe any pattern in our solutions? Did you observe any pattern? Let me share my screen again. Yeah. So in this, did you find any pattern? Like now let me clean up this. Let me clean up this. Let's remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. These are all not our choices. Yeah. Now let me put them in a order. Yes. Yes. Now in this, did you observe any pattern for 1 rupee coins? Check. Did you observe any pattern for 1 rupee coins? If you clearly observe here, for all odd count of n, we are using only one 1 rupee coin. For all odd counts of n, we are using only one 1 rupee coin. One 1 rupee coin. Sorry, this 1 rupee coin, one. We are using only 1 rupee coin. And for all even 2, 4, 6, we are using two 1 rupee coins. We are using two 1 rupee coins. That means if my required value is odd, if the required value is odd, we are going to use only one 1 rupee coin. If my required value is even, we are going to use two 1 rupee coins. So this is one pattern observed. And the solution is something like, first I'll tell you the process. First find first find 5 rupee coins required. That means how many maximum 5 rupee coins I can use. First find maximum number of 5 rupee coins that we can use, right? And then find how many 1 rupee coins we can use. How many 1 rupee coins we can use by using even or sorry even or odd requirement. And then based on that you decide how many 2 rupee coins we need required. So in order to find the 5 rupee coins, in order to find the minimum number of 5 rupee coins, so what actually we can do is, anyway I cannot use the directly 5 rupee coin, because if I pick the 5 rupee coin I can generate only the amount of 5 rupees, but I cannot generate 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need to start using 5 rupee coin only when first 4 values are removed and the remaining we should be able to use 5 rupees. Like for example, let's say if 6 rupees, right? So I need to remove 6 minus 4, right? And 2 rupees we are lefting. So can I use the 2 rupees 5 rupee coin to generate 2 rupees? No, I cannot use, right? Then 7 minus 4 will be getting 3. Still we cannot use, right? That means you can, if you calculate those, this entire process for 7 also we are not going to use 5 rupee coin, right? 8 rupees, so can we use? No, we cannot use because we are having 4 rupees change. Then 9 minus 4, yes, yes. So for rupees 9 we start using one 5 rupee coin, one 5 rupee coin, right? And how long? For 10 minus 4 I'll get 6, and out of this I can choose one 5 rupee coin. And 11, yes, 11 minus 4, 7, yes, again 1 rupee coin. That means only one 5 rupee coins, only one 5 rupee coin, and so on and so on. So based on this we can write a formula for required for 5 rupee coins is equals to given n minus 4 divided by 5 is the total number of 5 rupee coins that we can use, right? So my step 1 is completed. So this is step 1. So step 1 is count how many 5 rupee coins we need, right? And then step 2 is find how many 1 rupee coins we need, how many 1 rupee coins we need. So for that what we are going to do is, first we need to check total how much amount that we are forming by using 5 rupee coins. And for the remaining amount, that means this is equals to, for the remaining amount we need to check. So that means in the step 2 the remaining, so remaining means after removing the amount that we can form by using 5 rupees, 5 rupee coins, that means total amount minus how much we can form by using 5 rupee coins, that means the number of coins into 5, right? So that will give the remaining amount for which we need to identify the remaining uh, coin denominations. Now for this we have two options, that means 5 rupees completed, and we have two more options, that is either you can use 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coins. So instead of calculating the 2 rupees first, you calculate the 1 rupee first, that is easiest method. So that means what the logic we are going to use, if if, let me write here, if remaining, if remaining is odd, if remaining count is odd, then my 1 rupee coins should be only one rupee coin we need to use. Else, 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 and I need two 1 rupee coins. Else I need two 1 rupee coins. I need two 1 rupee coins. Right? And then step 3. Then step 3. Step 3. Count how many 2 rupee coins we need. So for getting 2 rupee coins, what we need to do? First check remaining. So how do I get the remaining? Total amount minus, sorry, remaining amount. So already we calculated remaining amount in the step 2, right? So already remaining amount, remaining minus how many 1 rupee coins we can make. That means how much amount that we are forming with the 1 rupees. How much amount we are forming with the 1 rupees. With 1 rupees. And then for the remaining, the 2 will give 2 equals to remaining amount divided by 2. Obviously it is going to be even value. So this we will be able to count how many 5 rupee coins we need, how many 2 rupees coins we need, and how many 1 rupee coins we need. Clear? So this is the logic. This is the logic. Okay. So step 1, calculating 5 rupee coins. Step 2, calculating 1 rupee coin. And step 3, calculating 2 rupee coins. Okay. So let's code this. Before going a step, just let me know. Understood the logic? Yeah. So Akash is asking for 13, right? Now let's apply this logic. For 13. Let's apply this logic for 13. Yeah, let me share my tab screen. Yeah. So if my n is 13, if my n is 13, and then find the 5 rupee coins first. So 5 rupee coins equals to 13 minus 4 divided by 5. So how much it is? 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5. Sorry, not 11. Sorry. Yeah, it is 9 divided by 5, which is going to give 1 point something. So integer value will take 1. So I need for 5 rupees 1 coin. And then calculate it for 1 rupee. So now what is the remaining amount? So remaining will give total amount minus how much we can make by using 5 rupees. That means 1 5 rupee coin we are using. So 13 minus 5. It is 8. So if it is 8, so what we are going to do according to this step 2? So if it is even, we are going to choose two 1 rupee coins. So my 1 rupee coin, so 1 is going to become 2 because because 8 is even. Because 8 is even. So I'm going to choose 2 1 rupee coins. And let's find the remaining amount. Let's find the remaining amount. So how do I find the remaining amount? So remaining, sorry, remaining equals to, right? So from 8, the remaining is 8. So 8 minus how many 1 rupee coins we are using? That is 2 into 1 actually. So that is 2 rupees. So we are going to use only two rupees coins. Sorry, 2 1 rupee coins. So it is 6. It is 6, right? And for this, how many 2 rupee coins we can use? So 2 equals to 6 by 2. 3 2 rupee coins. 3 2 rupees coins. Right? So now you check. So I'm going to use one 5 rupee coin. I'm going to use one 5 rupee coin. Done. And 3 2 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3. And 2 1 rupee coins. 2 1 rupee coins. Now let's check. Can we generate all the numbers from 1 to 13 with these coins? Let's check. So can we generate a number 1? Yes, by giving 1 rupee coin. Can we generate 2 rupees? Yes, I can give 1 2 rupee coin. Can we generate 3 rupees? Yes, I can give 1 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Can we generate 4? Yes, I can give 2 2 rupee coins. Can we generate 5? Yes, I can give 1 5 rupee coin. Can we generate 6? Yes, I can use 1 5 rupee coin, 1 1 rupee coin. Can we generate 7 rupees? Yes, I can use 5 and 2. Can we generate 8? Yes, 1 2 1. Can we generate 9? Yes, I can give 5, these two. Can we generate 10? Yes, I can use 1 2 3, or yeah, 1 5 rupee coin we have, 2 2 rupee coins, 1 1 rupee coin. Yes. Can we generate 11? Yes, I can use 1 rupee 5 rupee coin, 2 3 2 rupee coins. I can generate 11. Can we generate 12? Yes. 1, sorry. I can use 1 5 rupee coin, 1 5 rupee coin, 12, right? Yes. These two and this one will give 12 rupees. And can we generate 13? Yes. 5 rupees, 1 coin, 3 2 rupees coins. So 11, 12, 13. So these are the perfect denominations, minimum number of coins we need in order to generate all the numbers from 1 to 13. So my answer is how many 5 rupees we have? 1 coin. How many 2 rupees coins? 3. How many 1 rupee coins? 2. So my answer is 1 3 2, which indicates I need 1 5 rupee coins, 3 2 rupee coins, and 2 1 rupee coins. Right? So this is the answer. Understood? Yeah. 1 3 2 is the answer. Yes. Now tell me, is everybody is clear with this logic? Understood this solution? Please do respond. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Let's code it. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do from my main function is I'm going to use the previous program only. Yeah. I will read n from the user, n from the user, and then I will just display the result coming from minimum coins, min coins, and by passing this n as an argument. Yeah, that means we are calling a function called min coins by passing this n. So that function is going to, yeah, it is not required to return the values. So just let me call this function directly. So we will display the result here itself. So I'll take void and then min coins, and it is taking some n value. Now we need to identify total how many 5 rupee coins we need, and then how many 2 rupee coins we need, and how many 1 rupee coins we need. That we need to find. So for that, what I'm going to do here is I straight away I define a variable called 5, which is initialized with 0, and then 2 initialized with 0, and then 1 initialized with 0. Initially I'm initializing every variable to 0, and then it's a simple calculation process. So first I'll find how many 5 rupee coins we need. So for that straight away we have a solution, n minus 4 divided by 5. Honey, talk to Bapamma and tell daddy in class. Sorry. Yeah. So we found how many 5 rupee coins we need, and then find the remaining amount. Find the remaining. So let me take int remaining equals to, so total amount, that is n, minus how much we can generate by using this 5 rupee coins. That means this is the count of 5 rupee coins and into 5. That will give the remaining. Now from this remaining, we will check how many 1 rupee coins we can use. If my remaining is divisible by 2, right? That means if it is equals to 0, then I want to use 2 1 rupee coins. Else I need to use only one 1 rupee coin. Only one 1 rupee coin. And after this, again you find what is the remaining amount. So again remaining equals to, so already remaining amount minus how much you can make by using 1 rupee coins. That means actually 1 into 1. So that is multiplication is not actually required. So I can ignore this. Just simply you can use this. How many 1 rupee, like how much amount we are making by using 1 rupees. If it is 2 coins, 2 rupees we are making. If it is 1 coin, 1 rupee we are making. So from that we can take, and from this you can calculate how much 2 rupee coins we need, we can use. So remaining divided by 2. And finally just you print how many 5 rupee coins we are using, and a space, how many 2 rupees coins we are using, a space, and how many 1 rupee coins we are using, and then a new line. That's it. This is a solution. Okay, so now let me check this. Run this. So which program is running? Build success. Yeah, let me give 13. Yes, now you can see it is generating 1 5 rupee coins, 1 5 rupee coin, 3 2 rupee coins, and 2 1 rupee coins. For example, let's check. If I run it for 5 rupees, if I run it for 5 rupees. Now let's calculate how much amount, how many coins we need for 5 rupees according to the formulas. So for 5 equals to, it is 5 minus 4 divided by 5, it is 0. 0 coins we are taking, that means 0 5 rupee coins. And how many? 1. So 1 equals to, so remaining amount is 5, which is odd. So if it is odd, we are going to use 2 1 rupee coins, right? Sorry, if it is odd, we are going to use only 1 1 rupee coin. And what is the remaining? 4 rupees. And for that 4 rupees, we are going to use 2 2 rupee coins. So we are going to use 0 into 5 coins, 5 rupee coin, then 2 into 2 rupee coin, and 1 into 1 rupee coin. Clear? So my answer should be 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Right? Let's check. Let's check. Yes, it is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now shall we apply the same formula for little bigger number? Little bigger number. For example, let's say I want to generate for 34 rupees. Let's take 34. Let's run this. Let's run this and let us give 34. Now for this 34, manually first you calculate. So 5 rupees. How many 5 rupees coins we can take? So 34 minus 4 by 5. By 5. Okay. So how much it is? 30 by 5. 30 by 5. So we can take 6 5 rupee coins. 6 5 rupee coins. And how many 1 rupee coins? How many 1 rupee coins? Let's check. So 30 minus 4. 30 minus 4. So 30 is the amount, like that means total amount is, total amount is 34 minus how much we are making by using 5 rupee coins? 30 rupees. So it is going to be 4, and for 4 is even. If it is even, we are going to use 2 1 rupee coins. 2 1 rupee coins. So this is 5 rupee coins. Yeah. So 5 rupee coins, 1 rupee coin. And then what is the remaining amount? So we are using 30 rupees from the 5 rupee coins and 2 rupees from the 2 rupee coins. So 32 rupees completed. So we left with only 2 rupees, and for that we can use only one 2 rupee coin. 1 2 rupee coin. So my answer should be 6 1 2. Right? So now let's test this. With this coins, can we generate rupees 19? Let's check. If I want to generate rupees 19, I can give 3 5 rupee coins, 15 rupees, 15 rupees, and 2 2 rupee coins. Yes, we can generate. Can we generate 25? Yes, directly I can give 5 5 rupee coins just for testing. Can we generate 29? How do I generate 29? I can give 5 5 rupee coins, which becomes 25 rupees, and 2 2 rupee coins. Yes, clear. So my answer should be 6 1 and 2. Let's check. Yes, 6 1 and 2. Clear, everyone? So let's take this code and post it in your Telegram channel. And before that, let me take the question. Yeah. Question is this. Telegram channel. let's say question. So this is a question, and for this, if the input is 13, then the output should be, what was the output for 13? 1 3 2, 1 3 and 2 should be the output. Okay, sorry, by mistake I clicked on it. Yes, so this is a question, and for this the solution is this one. Let me copy this, and where is my Telegram channel? Yeah, yes, yeah, please check this solution and let me know, is everybody is clear with this? Please let me know, is everybody is clear with the solution? Is everybody is clear with the solution? Yeah, Jaydeep, thank you. Kiran Mai, thank you. What about remaining? And do you have any doubt in this? Is there anyone who do not understand this coding? Clear. Thank you. Thank you. So let's go for another question. Yeah. No. This is a little lengthy question, so the time may not be sufficient. And this we already solved, supermarket problems, right? So we will work on this code in the next class because it takes a little more time. Okay. So before that, we will discuss the problem which we have already discussed. Is this is asked in TCS NQT 2022, but for the last year, they asked one question. Yeah, I extracted these questions here. So these are the two questions asked in one of the slot. So let me pick one of these questions. First, let me write the question here. This is a question. So I request everyone, please go through the question. Given a string in small case with a repeating character in it, and an integer p represents a threshold character count, record the frequency of repeating character. Right, we'll try to understand this and write a program to print only the first character from the string which has count greater than or equal to the threshold. If multiple characters satisfy, then print the character which is alphabetically smallest. For example, let me try to understand this with a particular input. So in the input, they are going to give two things. One is a string and other is an integer, right? So let's take that a string is given something like this. The string is ABC, ABC, AA, BC, something like this given. And let's take one integer 3. Then the output should be, can you guess what should be the output for this? What should be the output? So the problem statement says that from this given string, from this given string, what are all the characters whose frequency is either equal or greater than 3, right? That means here A frequency is 4 and B frequency is 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. Sorry. And C frequency is 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now all the characters are having frequency either equal or greater than given value 3, right? So when there are multiple characters satisfy, then print the character which is alphabetically small. So here A is alphabetically small, so my output should be letter A. My output should be letter A. For example, let's say if my threshold is given as 4, if it is given as 4, then only one character which is having 4 and more, that is A. So straight away answer is A. Got it? And in the problem statement, I feel something is missing. Something like, let's say if I given threshold value as 5, so none of the characters are having frequency 5 and above, then I need to print -1 as output. You add that point also. That means if there is only a single character which is occurring given threshold number of times or more than that, then that character is the output. If there are multiple characters are occurring which are equal or more than the threshold, then we need to find first alphabetical order. That means first letter according to the alphabetical order. If none of the character is occurring, then output should be -1. So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement. So now for this, A should be the output. Yeah, just tell me, is everybody understood the problem statement? Oh, my screen is not visible. Sorry, I didn't notice it. Let me check why it is not sharing. Let me stop and reshare the screen. Let me check this. Yeah, my screen is not sharing. Yeah, my screen is not sharing. So, what is wrong? Actually, my screen is in the shared mode only. Yeah, just I'll leave and rejoin. Please stay tuned. Yeah. మా వాయిస్ కూడా చూడమ్మా. Audio. Okay. Yeah, please now tell me, is my voice is audible to you? Okay. Is my screen is sharing to you? Yeah, please give me a confirmation. Is my screen is also sharing to you? Yeah, fine, Kiran. My thank you. Yeah, and now Deepika was asking to explain the question once again. Yeah, so let me take my screen. Now listen. The question says that you have given a string. You have given a string. Let's say the string is. Let's go with the more generalized. Hello, comma. Uh, how are you? Question mark. Let's say this is my string. This is my string, and let's say we have given a p value as something like 2. P value as something like 2. So the problem statement says that here, what is the first character in the given string whose frequency is either 2 or more than 2? If there is only one character is occurring. If there are multiple characters, if there are multiple characters whose frequency is either 2 or more than 2, then we need to print the smallest character according to the alphabetical order. That means, for example, here, if I check how many times H is occurring, 2 times. How many times E is occurring? So 1, 2, yeah, 2 times. How many times L is occurring? It is also occurring for 2 times. It's also occurring for 2 times. And how many times O is occurring? O is occurring for 3 times. And then how many times H is completed, W is occurring? So W is occurring for only 1 time. And how many times A is occurring? Only for 1 time. And how many times R is occurring? Only for 1 time. And how many times E is occurring? Already completed. And how many times Y is occurring? 1 time. O is completed and U is occurring for 1 time. And in this, these are all the characters whose frequency is not either equal to the threshold or above the threshold. So these are all not the required characters. Now, these are all the characters whose frequency is either 2 or more than 2. Now we have multiple characters whose frequency is either equal or more than the threshold. So in that case, we need to display the smallest letter according to the alphabetical order. So out of all these, the smallest letter is E. The smallest letter is E. So my output should be, for this input, the output should be character E. So this is the problem statement. This is the problem statement. Now tell me, did you understood the problem statement? Is everybody is clear with the problem statement? Yes. Yes. Now think about the solution. What we can do? Yeah. Thank you, Chandana. Thank you, Jaydeep. Now tell me. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Deepika, thank you. Now tell me, how do I solve this? So I'll tell you a simple thing. I'll tell you a simple thing. So what we can do is from the given, and here you can see actually I also added I also added special characters, right? So in our problem statement, they do not give the spaces, right? And everything is only alphabets, that to lowercase letters. To make you to understand the problem statement clearly, just I've taken some statement here, but actually it is going to give without any other special symbols, right? So actually while we are calculating the frequency, the special symbols frequency is also calculated according to this input, but the input is not going to be like this. The input is without any special symbols, not even spaces. Okay, so now what we will do is, let's try to take another one. Let's say uh, my string is equals to uh, let's give, yeah, let me take hello ABC, ABC. Yeah, this is my string. This is my string. Now what I'm going to do here is, I will use I will use a map. I will use a map in order to maintain the frequencies. In order to maintain the frequencies. So I'm going to take a map which is going to store the frequencies. Like first I will pick my first character H, and then I will insert H with the frequency 1 into the map. And every time whenever we insert into the map, then I will check, is this frequency is either equal to the threshold or above the threshold. If yes, then this is the character we need to observe. And then also we will check, is there any character which is previously occurred, which is smaller than this, right? I'll tell you that also. Now let's see, I'll take E. So now E, initially the frequency is 1, and then L, initially the frequency is 1, and next time whenever I take the second L, then the frequency is updated to 2, and then uh, O frequency as 1, and then A frequency as 1, then B frequency as 1, and then C frequency as 1, and then A, so we update to 2, and then B we update to 2, and then C we update to 2. Yes. So these are all my frequencies. Now every time, let's say my P is 2. If my P is 2, then what I will do is, every time I will check, every time I'll check. So I'll take my answer something like, initially I will take something which is maximum, like I will take Z plus 1. I'll take Z plus 1. I'll tell you that how it will work. So I will check. So if the frequency of L. That means I'll check H frequency, not either equal or greater than the P. No. Then E. No. Then L. Yes, it is equal. So then I will update. I will check. Then I will check. Is L is smaller than the current answer? Is it smaller than the current answer? Yes. If yes, then what I will do is I will update my answer with letter L. And then I will go and check, is O frequency is above the threshold or equal to the threshold? No. Then is A frequency is either equal or above the threshold? Yes. If yes, then I will check, is A is smaller or the current answer is smaller, like this. If the current answer is greater than my current element, then I need to update this letter to A. So I need to update to A. Done. And then I'll go for the next letter, B. So whose frequency is either equal or greater than to the threshold? Yes. And then I'll check, is B is smaller than the current answer? No, it's not smaller. So do not update. Then C. Is frequency is C frequency equal or less greater than the threshold? Yes. But check, is C smaller than this A? No. So do not update. And we have done with all the characters. And final, my answer is A. So this is the solution. This is the solution. And you might be getting a doubt. Why initially I was taking Z plus 1? It is because whenever you want to find the smallest, and start with largest possible. So alphabets load largest possible is Z, right? And you can start with the Z or more than the Z. You can start with the Z or more than the Z. Okay. And when you are trying to find largest, then you start with smallest possible. Okay. So that every element is compared against to that, whether it is like, if you are trying for smallest one, so we'll take the largest, and every element is compared like, is this current element is smaller than this largest? If yes, then we update it, so that we'll be getting the smaller. If you are trying to find a largest element, then we will start with the smallest element, then we check, is this element is larger than this? Yes. Then you update. Like that we'll be doing. Okay, so this is the approach we are going to use to solve this problem. Yes. Is everybody is clear with this approach? Shall we go for coding it? Yes, please. Shall we go for coding it? Yes. Yeah, let's start. Yeah, I will take here. Yeah, let me take a string str or given string, from the given string, and let me read string from the user. So given string, and then let's read a threshold P. So let's read P from the user. And then what I will do is I'll create a call. I'll call something like, what we can name this question, find smallest small character, or find character. So find character, the function name I'm giving find character, and for this we are going to pass the given string and the threshold p, and whatever the answer comes from this function will be displayed here, right? Now let me create this function, and it is going to return a character. It is going to return a character, and it is going to accept a given string as and a threshold as parameters, right? That means now we are reading given string and a threshold p, and we are calling a function called find character by passing this given string and a threshold p. Now in this we are going to use that map concept, right? So if I want to use map in C++, we include the header file called map, and let's create, observe very clearly, let's create a map object where we need to mention a key is character and value is integer. Hey, don't make noise, right? And let me name this as frequency. Let me name this as a frequency. And then what I'm going to do here is, and let me take a character answer. Initial I'll take it as a z. Initial I'll take it as z. And then what I will do is, for each character, that means let me take I starting from 0, and I goes till given string dot its size and I plus plus. Yeah, every time what I will do is I'll update the frequency of my character. So I'll take a character, let's say current character, current char equals to given string of I, given string of I, and then I will check, I will update the frequency of my current character, right? That means a frequency of my current character is equals to frequency of my current character, existing frequency of my current character plus 1, plus 1, right? So those who are getting confused with the map concept, so please go and refer the map concept. So this is how we insert element into the map, right? And whenever we use this, it will retrieve the value, existing value, and it will add 1 to it, and then update into the same key. That means actually this is something like a map key equals to value, right? So whenever I use map of key, it will give the existing value. So here I'll get the existing value, and it is added with 1, and this entire thing will become this value, and that is assigned to the same key. Okay, so go and refer to the map concept if you are getting confused. Okay, and then now we are updated the frequency. Then what is the next step? Check is the frequency of my current character after update is is either greater than or equals to the my threshold, either greater than or equals to the threshold. If so, what I can do? Check is my answer. That means we need to write if my current character is smaller than my existing answer, then my answer should be assigned with the current character because it is a smaller one. Yes, that's it. And finally, we need to return the answer. That's it. We solved. Let's check this. Let us give. Let's run this. Let us give a string as. Let us give a string as hello ABC, and threshold is 2. Then the answer should be A. Yes, I'm getting A. Right? And let's say if I give the same hello xyz xyz and abc, then what should be the output? And yeah, the threshold is 2. What should be the output? L L is occurring for 2 times, and L is occurring for 2 times, X is occurring for 2 times, Y is occurring for 2 times, and Z is occurring for two times. That means in this example, how many times L is occurring for 2 times, and X is occurring for 2 times, Y is occurring for 2 times, and Z is also occurring for 2 times, and remaining all are occurring for only 1 time. So out of all these, L is the lowest. L is the lowest. So I should get L as output. Yes, I'm getting L. Right? And you can also see I can simplify this. Here, instead of checking like this entire thing, simply what we can do is my answer equals to min of minimum of either answer or my current character. Simplified. Simplified. So now this will also give the same. Let's check. Let us give hello ABC XYZ XYZ, right? And in this case, L should be the output. Yes. Or 2. If I give 2, L should be the output. Yeah. And finally, we are not handling -1 case. We are not handling -1 case, right? So to handle that, so what I wanted to do here is, let's take +1 here, and then while you're returning what we need to return, right? For that, let's check if my answer is equals to still Z plus 1. If it is still Z plus 1, right? If it is still Z plus 1, then return uh, -1. So will it return -1? No, it will make a problem here. Otherwise, return answer. Otherwise, return answer. Okay. Now let's check. Let's check. Run this. Let us give ABC, ABC, but the threshold is 5. Yeah, it is giving, but it is giving some discount. So what I will do here is, from this I'll return the answer only. From this I'll return the answer only. But here while I'm printing, I'll check this. That means let me take a character a response equals to this one. Response equals to this one. Yeah. Now if response is equals to Z plus 1, Z plus 1, then I want to print -1, underline. Else I want to print the response directly. Yes, here we can do that. Yes. Now let's see. Run this. Let us check. ABC, and sorry, 5. Yes, -1. ABC, like let's say, run this. Let me give Rajinikanth, and let us give 2. Yes, A is occurring for 2 times, I is also occurring for 2 times, N is occurring for 2 times, and out of all this, A is the smallest one. So that is what it is displaying. Yes, if I give the same input, and let us give the threshold as 3, is there any character which is occurring for 3 times? No. Then -1 should be the output. Yes. Right. So that's it. So this is how we can solve that problem. So which is asked last year up. Let me share this. Yeah, before that I need to share the question first. So where is the question? Yeah. Let me share the question first. Yeah, this is a question and the solution is from here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the solution. So is everybody understood the solution? Is everybody understood the solution? Yes. Thank you, Kiran Mai. And for today, I will give one more question as an assignment to you. Let me pick that question, which is very simple. Which is very simple. So these two questions were asked in last year TCS MQT offline drive. Offline drive. Let me share this question. Yeah, it is assignment question. For this, if the input is 1900, then the output should be 19th century. So the problem statement is little lengthy, descriptive, but the solution is very simple. The solution is very simple. Right, let me also type the problem statement here. Yeah, the problem statement is so this is a problem statement. So it's very simple solution, but the problem statement is little lengthy. Let's check. So like animals, people, things around us are classified into various. A number of years are also grouped. The grouping of years is different in different calendar system. In the Western countries, a group of 10 years called decade, a group of 100 years called century. And given a particular year n, the task is to find to which century it belongs to. The first century starts from 1 and completes at 100. Second century starts at yeah. Second century starts at 101 and ends with 200 and so on. Right? So the just simplified version of this question is given a year, find What we need to do? Find to which century it belongs. To which century it belongs to. This is a simplified version of this question, right? Actually, this is the entire description. Till this entire description is just no use here. Actually, that means they explain how the centuries are formed, right? And the actual problem statement is only this one. So the simplified version of this question is given a year n, given a year n, and find to which century it belongs to. To which century it belongs to is a problem statement, right? So these two questions were asked in the last year 2023 passed out offline session, offline TCS NQT test. These two questions were asked, a previous problem and this one, these two same. So this one string based, and this one, both are asked in the last year. Okay, and this is a very simple problem statement. You try to solve it. Okay, and I hope everybody is clear with what we discussed today. Yeah, Jaydeep says yes, sir. Okay, thank you. What about remaining? Is everybody understood? So the codes are available in the Telegram channel. So please go through that code. If you still have any doubt, please do raise in the channel. I'll try to rectify it. Yeah, thank you all. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.